Welcome back, guys. My name's Leland, bringing you another TA of the GRT. Hey, before we get started, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and hit that bell notification because I like to do GRT videos specifically. We do other cryptos. We talk about Bitcoin, we talk about Stellar, but GRT is my jam. This is where it's at. No one else is documenting it right now. But Leland's going to. You know why? Because this is going to be huge one day, guys. This is the beginning stages of something massive for our Ethereum friend. GRT starting back December 18th, having this massive blow off. Going from the bottom to the top, 500% gains up here. And since then, we have taken a breather. And everybody was wondering what's going on with GRT. Are we going to go back up? Well, we're in that trend right now. I don't want you guys to get bullish or get bearish on me right now, but I want to go ahead and show you what's going on a very short time frame. If we go ahead and take our Fibonacci, and we go from our swing high currently to our swing low, we can see exactly what's going on right now. If you've watched my previous videos, we always talk about on the Fibonacci sequences between the 618 and the 786. This is an extremely important area if we want to see continuation to the upside. Currently, GRT got above. It's testing the resistance right now, or the support right now. It looks like we're kind of breaking down a little bit. So we may have already broken that support, but it could be too soon to tell. But if we hold this as support and get a resumption back off, we will be looking for a 61 cent GRT. Once we get above 61 cents and we come back and test it as support, we're going off. We're going up. And what kind of prices can we see to the upside after that? Well, let's take a look at our Fibonacci sequences. And this is very short term, guys, very short term. After breaking this last high back here of 66 cents, we could be going up and hitting 73 cents, 77, 83 cents, and yes, even $1.09 up here. I do think we will hit that. I don't know when. I do think it's going to be soon, but I know for a fact that is going to happen. I just know for a fact. And you can come yell at me in the comments and say, well, Leland, how do you know that? There's no way you know that. You're right, nobody knows, but that's my prediction. And I want you to mark this video, and I want you to hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that bell notification, because if I'm wrong, you can come back to this video and comment down below and tell me that I'm wrong. I'm gonna tell you something right now. 0% of you are gonna come back to this video and tell me that I was wrong, because it's not gonna happen. It is not going to happen. Let's go ahead and take a look at the MACD on a 4-hour time frame. We did just have a cross, very bullish cross, and we're starting to form green on the histogram over here. We just finished our red, very bearish. We went down, we came down, had a fall of about 40%. That's no joke. That's no joke. I don't know if you guys caught my couple of videos before this, but when we were up in this area over here, I was like, hey guys, we're going to be falling. I just want to give you some heads up onto where we could be going. And we did talk about going down to a 50 cent. We even did talk about going down to a 44 cent, which was over here. And then we talked about going down to a 40 cent. That 40 being a psychological resistance and support once it was flipped back here. Anyways, bullish cross down here. Now we're printing green on the histogram and we're on our way back up. Very bullish right now for GRT. Let's go ahead and take a look at our RSI. And so in the last video, we talked about this resistance and support at this level at about Rachon. And as you can see in the RSI, resistance, boom, broke it, became support for a little bit, boom, broke down, resistance, 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 boom, back up. Hey, look, support, boom, up. You guys are catching my drift here? Right now, we did break, or a couple of days ago, we broke below it. And I was really worried. I was kind of worried, like, man, are we gonna go down and touch this 30 like we have back down here and back down here, and where would that put us? Where would we go on GRT? And I started doing. I didn't post this video because I didn't think it was going to happen. Not currently with the way the bull market is going right now. We broke back above it, and now what we need to do is we need to come back and test to see if this is going to be support. That may not happen right now. We can continue to go up, go up, go up, become overbought, and then come back down and test that. So that might actually be after we hit $1. So after we go up and hit $1, we could come back and try to test that. Just some thoughts. I don't know if that's going to happen, but I just wanted to share the data with you guys on that. Seeing this RSI right now, I'm very bullish on it. Okay, let's talk about a little bit of a bearish news. I know you guys don't want to hear it, but these are good opportunities to buy more GRT if you are interested. I just want to share with you what I think is going to be happening here with Bitcoin. Bitcoin leads all of the markets. You guys know that, okay? As you can see, this line, this trend line, was acting as resistance and then became support back here. And we have this support all the way up until we broke down right here in this area right here. It's about 74% way through the triangle. People are calling this a bull pennant. I believe they're correct with that. We've broken down and now we've come up and we've tested it and it's become resistance. That's not good. That's not good for Bitcoin. We could see further downside. I do believe that we can come down and hit this $25,000 Bitcoin or even a $23,000 Bitcoin before we have any resumption back up. But don't forget, if we do hit these lines, if we do go ahead and hit these supports down here, 23, 22, make no mistake about it, we will get resumptions off here or down here, and the next move to the upside is going to surpass this $42,000 Bitcoin. But keep in mind, if we do come down here, alts are going to suffer. There's going to be blood in the streets, and GRT could possibly come down and go lower than this 40-cent line for this low down here. It could happen, guys. Don't be shocked if we come down and hit a 35-cent, a 30-cent GRT. Do I think it's going to go down to 23 cents? No, I really don't think. I don't think you're ever going to be able to get GRT that cheap ever again. I really don't think that. But anyways, I just wanted to share the details with you guys. Hit that like button, guys. Let's try to get to 100 likes on this video. I would just be ecstatic if we could do that. Hit that sub, hit that bell notification. You guys already know I bring out constant updates about the GRT. If I see anything that's happening in the charts, I will go ahead and make another video and give you guys an update. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.